Hello everybody. So today I will talk about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to move this one go to the right. Y will move to the left and dx will move to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So, the integration of this one, we have ln y. So we can put the absolute value in here. About this one, I need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to dx over s minus 1. dv equals to dx. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v so about this one I will put about negative number 1. Later that we put positive number 1 back. So s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. So you got about number 1. So the integration of number 1, you got about s. The integration of 1 over s minus 1. We have this one. And this one, I can put the absolute value in here. So, I go back in here. So, the integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.